Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillsForge Pro, your favorite spot for quick and easy design tips that make a big impact. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a gradient effect to text in Canva. And yes, it's way simpler than you might think. Let's jump right in. So first, I've got my canvas ready. Now we're heading over to the Apps section. In the search bar, just type in Gradient. And the app we want is called Type Gradient. This is the one that does all the magic. Once it opens up, go ahead and type in your text. I'm writing gradient text just for this example. Next up, pick your font. I'm going with Arena Normal, but of course you can choose whatever fits your style. Now comes the fun part, choosing your gradient colors. You can pick 2, 3, or even more colors by tapping the color bar. You can also adjust the direction of the gradient manually, horizontal, vertical, diagonal, whatever looks best for your design. And boom, your custom gradient text is ready to go. And that's it. Super easy, super cool. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment to let us know which Canva trick you want to learn next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video from SkillsForge Pro. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.